So basically, um, workplace success equation is the function of both intelligent quotient as well as the emotional intelligence. If you have intelligent quotient without emotional intelligence, then the chances of recording success at any working environment is, it's very slim. And but with emotional intelligence and with a combination of emotional intelligence and intelligent quotient, you can be rest assured that you can always attain success within any organization. Now let's narrow down emotional intelligence competence. We have personal competence. This is based on ability to self-aware and self-regulate. This helps you understand yourself better. So when you're trying to develop emotional intelligence, it is often important to ask yourself how which specific area do you think you need to improve on your AI skill? Is it in personal competence? Is it in social competence? Is it in social influence? So if your objective is to improve on personal competence, perhaps in getting to know yourself well, then this would um, your ability to self-aware and to self-regulate yourself, then you need to improve more on your personal competence. We also, as well have the social competence, which has to do with which helps you to deal with other people, and we also have social influence, which helps you to influence other people positively. Aside that, we have emotional intelligence and leadership. There are various leadership categories. In leadership, we have strategic leadership, we have team leadership, we have pastoral leadership, we have encouraging leadership. So since this video basically is focusing on emotional intelligence, I wouldn't in detail into the leadership aspect. Now let's see the various emotional intelligence in comparison to the various leadership um, to the various leadership available. I mean to the various leadership methodology. First, we have the pioneering leadership, and the pioneering leadership requires self-awareness, it requires social awareness, it requires self-management. If without these emotional intelligence models, the pioneer leadership wouldn't be able to succeed effectively. Also, we have strategic leadership, which requires self-awareness and social awareness. And also we have team leadership, which requires self-management as well as social skills. Also, the pastoral leadership requires self-management as well as social skills. And we have encouraging leadership, which requires self-management as well as social skills. Generally, in order to develop emotional intelligence, first it is important for one to be able to identify where exactly he or she belongs. That is, in area of emotional intelligence, what skills do I have? Have I been able to, get myself, have I been able to master my self-awareness? Have I been able to manage myself successfully? And ask some other basic fundamentals. And here are some other tips. First, you should be able to determine attributes you like to develop in relation to either social competence or social influence or personal competence. Aside that, you need to examine yourself more often when you set out um, the goal of developing emotional intelligence. It is important to always examine yourself as often as possible to ensure you're actually meeting up in the to ensure you're actually tracking your progress in line with your goal. Also, it is important to analyze your personality traits towards optimization. You want to see those traits that are in line with emotional intelligence and as well um, analyze and as well optimize those traits which are important. You want to be simple, you want to be empathetic. It is always good to develop empathy because emotional intelligence generally is based on empathy. So you want to try as much as you can to be empathetic with people. If you've not been doing that in time past, you have to try and be doing it because, um, yeah. Then you want to have a divine personal identity and reflection of emotional intelligence. Also, you want to seek honest feedback on your personality attributes. No doubt these few tips will go a long way in helping you develop the needed emotional intelligence, personality, which will help you in recording process, both within your organization and your personal life. Thank you so much for your time.